Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the astrologer feature on the Ask AI chat and get answers application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the fun subcategory in the middle of the screen, turn or scroll down and then click on the astrology button. Here you can find the preset instruction. I want you to act as an astrologer. You will learn about zodiac signs and their meanings, understand planetary positions and how they affect human lives, be able to interpret horoscopes accurately, and share your insights with those seeking guidance or advice. Subtract other natal chart information from the answers to these questions and answer all of the person's questions. So here you should type in your horoscope, or just simply change the instruction according to your preferences, and in a few seconds you will be able to see the answer. Here you can see the information about your zodiac sign that you have typed in, but obviously you can provide any kind of related questions. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.